Hello everyone. In this video we will look into the dynamic ranking with respect to visual selection. Here we have different data. For example, let us create a table with respect to sales territory region and let us bring a measure which is total sales. Here I have a table, okay, and in this table let me open this dim sales territory. As an example, I'll bring this sales territory region over here. Here we have several regions, and from the measure table we have a simple measure which is total sales. Here we have derived the total sales measure. I'll bring this total sales measure into this, or you could assume that it is sum of sales. And here we have this country, or you could say region wise, and as well as the sales with respect to different countries. And suppose that I want to view the sales of top 5 countries in a different color coding, or you could say dynamically changing way. What we could do is I'll select this measure table, create a new measure. Here what we could do is I'll write a measure called top 5 sales equal to, I'll create a variable where I'll provide a column, I could say ranking variable name. I'll use rankx function where in the first parameter you could use this table parameter. Here in the table I'll use all selected, and in the all selected since I'm using this sales territory region, I'll type region and I'll select this dim sales territory region. I'll put a comma. Here you could see the expression. The expression is total sales, which is our measure. I'll put a comma. I'll skip this value. Order could be descending, and the ties it would be dense since I do not want to skip. So this is our first variable. I'll write the return clause where I'll return if ranking is less than or equal to 5, then what I want is total sales, otherwise I want blank. So this is a simple measure where I have created a variable using rankx of ranking, and I have returned the sales only if the ranking is less than or equal to 5. Okay, I'll commit and let us bring into the table and see. Here I'll bring this top 5 sales. Here you could see that our top 5 sales we are able to see, and the rest of the things are blank. And let us visualize this into a chart. For example, I'll take it into a area chart. As soon as I convert into area chart, now you could see that my total sales is highlighted in a different color and my top 5 sales is highlighted in a different color. I could go to format, change the turn on the data labels. I could turn on the markers. And I could increase the size of it so that it looks better, and we could further format it. Now if I bring any other slicer, for example, if I bring a slicer, here I'll bring product color into my slicer. So based upon the color which I select, you could see that my area chart is dynamically changing. Okay, for the color which we don't have, it might not show the graph, or you could say chart, area chart. Otherwise the regions are dynamically changing. I hope this is understandable. This is all for today. Thank you for watching, and we shall meet in the next video.